Hi, welcome to the Waterfall of Abundance guided meditation. I would like you to sit comfortably in a chair or lay on a bed. And I wonder if you could simply close your eyes as you continue to listen to the sound of my voice and the sound of my voice only. And listening to each word I say makes you even more relaxed. And I now wonder if you can take a deep breath. Inhale deeply from your nose, hold it for a second, and exhale. Take the next deep breath, taking in the positivity deep inside as you inhale, and exhaling all that does not serve any purpose. That's right. Take the third deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now let's take another deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Let's take one more deep breath, and this time imagine taking in all the positivity from your nose and letting it spread in every cell and part of your body. Hold it for a second and exhale from your mouth. That's right. Now relax yourself and come back to your normal breathing pattern as you continue to listen to me. And I wonder if you could take your eyes back towards the back of your head with your eyes closed as I count back from 10 down to 0. Take them back with every count I say. 10, going deeper and deeper at 9, relaxing more and more at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. That's right. You continue to listen to the sound of my voice. And I wonder if you could imagine yourself somewhere in a lush green valley. It could be a valley that you've been to before, or a valley that your mind wants to create now. Your powerful, creative subconscious mind knows exactly how to create that. You now imagine yourself in a lush green valley. Look around and notice the beautiful nature. And as you continue to admire the natural beauty, you notice a bench in front of you. The bench looks attractive and comfortable. You walk up to the bench so that you can sit comfortably and enjoy the surroundings. You take a seat. You look around and notice beautiful trees and listen to the sound of the birds. You look at the colors of the birds and they all look so exotic. And as you continue to look around and notice the natural beauty, the birds, trees, flowers, perhaps butterflies, you also listen to the sound of the waterfall somewhere in the background. The sun is shining bright. The sunshine is crisp, warm and loving. And you can feel the sun rays on your skin. You are attracted to the sound of the waterfall in the distance. So you get up from the bench and start to move towards the waterfall. You keep walking towards it while appreciating the beautiful nature around you. As you continue to walk towards it, you also wonder about what is it that you're grateful for? Perhaps you're grateful for the people in your life, for the things that you enjoy, for the things that you have, for the things that you use. Just make a mental note of the things that you're grateful for today. You continue to walk towards the waterfall and notice a spectacular waterfall falling off a huge mountain. It looks magical and you are in awe of it. You know from within that it is healing because there's something magical about it. It also has a magical silver sheen on it. You have reached the right place. It is the waterfall of abundance, and you want to immerse yourself in it so that you can wash away all the blockages that stop you from attracting money, wealth, and abundance in your life. You walk towards the bottom of the waterfall and find that it falls into a shallow stream of water. And there are big pebbles and rocks. You can feel the water around your feet. The water is warm, shimmery, and magical, just like the waterfall. There is a big rock right under the waterfall for you to sit. So sit on the rock and feel the water falling on your body. You can feel it on your head, your face, your shoulders, arms, stomach, hips and legs. The water is warm and nice. And sitting under the waterfall only means that you're getting rid of all the blockages, washing them away, and taking in all the abundance. And as you start to receive the abundance, you notice that all the blockages wash away and float out of your body in the shallow stream of water. And you can clearly notice or visualize the limiting beliefs, the labels that you've put in yourself about money, success, the fears and thoughts about prosperity and abundance. All of these limiting beliefs stop you from attracting abundance in your life. Now see all these blockages getting into the water because they do not serve any purpose. Notice all those labels, fears, negative emotions around money. Floating away with the water, going away from you, many, many miles away, fading into the distance. And the infinite abundance and money and prosperity and success is all over you in the form of the waterfall. Continue to sit under the waterfall of abundance and imagine attracting wealth and money from all sides as I stay quiet for a few moments. You allow money to come to you. You allow money and abundance to reach you easily and effortlessly. You have the flow of money into your life. You attract money from all sides. You are open to receive abundance, wealth, success, and prosperity. I am now going to leave you here for a few moments so that you enjoy this lovely state of relaxation. In a moment, I'll count you up from 1 to 5, and at 5, you will be fully awake, feeling light and relaxed, abundant, successful, and happy. So start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, further up with 3, all your mental, emotional, physical, spiritual bodies aligned at 4, at 5, eyes open, wide awake.